it's Cool Cuber here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the MGC Square One. Let's get into it. So, first off, it's normal classic MGC box. It says kinda Square One there, SQ1. Has this little slidey thing. It's painted off in my opinion. It doesn't anywhere. And it has this slip-off box. And then in the box, we have accessories. And the cube, and that's it. So, start off with the cube or accessories. So, comes in the accessory box with a screwdriver, normal YJMDC screwdriver. It comes with the tiles to change your Square One to black. And it comes with a how to solve manual. And it comes with lots of pieces to change out. The yellow side. That's all the accessories, nothing special, just normal Square One. And then here's the cube itself, and it's wrapped. See if we can get this cube out. Here is the cube. Oh, it's accessories. So, I am not the best at Square One, but it's pretty dry out of the box. It has all of its magnets. It's fully magnetized, and the slice is nice. It's pretty good all around. Yeah, I'm not the greatest, but that's that one. So it needs, in my opinion, lube. Like, probably, I would say, Lunar maybe to put in it. So maybe I'll put some in and come back, but I don't think so. But yeah, it's just a quick review on it. It's overall pretty good. Square One's like best on the market, and I think it needs to be broken. Like, I've owned a Square One and it needs to be broken, so oh, things falling off. It's weird. Well, yeah. Overall, I think this is a great Square One. And if you already know how to solve a Square One and you want to get further into it, or you just really want a good starter cube, this is a great cube for you, and I really think you should buy it. So that's all for today's video. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave down in the comments below if you want me to make more videos about the Square One. See you next time.